Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today you guys are going to get ready with me. I'm going to do my signature glitter eye glam that I've been loving. I've gotten a lot of questions about this look, what glitter I'm using and things like that. So this video is going to be dedicated to showing you guys my signature glitter eye look. I'm also just burning sage right now. I love doing this just to calm my energy. I always feel better. I like to burn sage or a light incense, just something that just mellows you out and calms you down, because you definitely need stress relievers like all throughout the day. I feel like it's so important that we have stress relievers, whether it's music, if you're into reading, whatever you're into, you need something that can just like sit you down, calm you, relax you, and just take your focus off of everything. So important to just recenter yourself and really get back to your natural thoughts, what's on your mind, the things that you care about. So it's super important to have a stress reliever, something that just makes you feel good and calms you down and just is like a reset in your life. I'm gonna go ahead and start off this get ready with me with my contour. I'm using my cream contour, one of my faves. I'm into the heavy contour on the forehead. The more you do your makeup, the more you will be able to contour it and focus it on your specific skin type or your facial features. So even when I go back and I start to apply my concealer, I'm going to make sure that I keep the same shape that I've already started with. I'm going to go in and start with my eyes. I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I love using this for my eyes. I'm just going to go in and blow this shade out. I like using this shade all over my crease. And it's so light that I can just continue to apply layers and layers of it without it starting to get too dark. And I really like to get a lot of brown going on the lids. Once I feel like I've reached the point where I like it enough, that's when I stop. But I do like to have a heavier brown crease before I apply my glitter. I love how this just blends in with my brown shadow. It's not too dark like a black, but it does still create that deeper crease that I want. I'm just going in and softening everything with soft brown. One of my favorite light shades from MAC. It's more of like a cleanup after I use darker shades on the lid. Once I've let my contour cream sit on for a while, I like to go back in with my beauty blender and just blend it out to soften it. I'm gonna go in with my Lemonhead.LA glitter. This is in the shade Mulholland. It gives me like the ultimate highlight. It's so bright. So I'm always reaching for these. I have about 6 or 7 of these different shades at this point, and I could just reach for whatever shade and they always look so good on my lid. So I'm really into these glitters from Lemonhead.LA. And these are also the same exact glitters that they use in the show Euphoria. I discovered them right before the first season of Euphoria came out. And once they said that this is the exact glitters that they use, I just felt like this was a confirmation for me of how great these glitters are. I love them so much. So I'm going to go in with this pink shade just to highlight my lid before creating the exact color that I want. I love how bright and bold this looks. It creates the perfect look that I want. And then I just go back in and add one of my favorite shades, which is like a mixture of a lot of different colors. And then I go back in and add adult film, which has just a lot of different colors in it. It kind of looks like confetti. And I love using this as my final shade to create the look that I want. A little goes a long way with these products. You don't have to use a lot, but you do have to kind of create that look you want all in one swipe, because they can get patchy really quickly. That's why I don't like using a brush. I like to be able to warm the glitter up to my finger. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer. It does not have to be perfect once you do your glitter, because I like getting glitter everywhere. But I know once I go back in with my concealer, I can clean it up and really get it perfectly how I like it. I'm gonna go in and set everything with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Butter. While we're baking, I'm gonna go in and highlight my body. I love doing my body highlight. It's my favorite thing to use right now from MAC, the Tiana Taylor highlighter. I don't even know if they still have this available, but it was just such a perfect shade. Even if they don't have this available anymore, Gold Deposit is very similar to this shade. And it just gives you that ultimate glossy highlight for the body. So I love using this so much. Because I'm super into this glitter and I love how bold it is, I have to go with a more bold highlighter. So this is my Makeup Forever highlighter in the shade Pro Light Fusion. It's definitely the brightest highlighter that I have. It's gonna give me the most shine. So I love using this whenever I go for more of a bolder look. I'm mixing two blush shades that I really like. These are more of like on the pinky side. Flower Power and Blush Baby. Both of these are from MAC. To complete the look off, I'm thinking about more of a mid-tone, darker pink. Something that's a natural lip color, not too nude, but still something that will blend in really good with our eye look. So I'm gonna go in with Cork and Strip Down. Both of these are darker brown liners from MAC. I'm gonna use Strip Down first to nude out my lips, and then I'm gonna use Cork to really create a deeper outer crease. I'm using Flesh Fantasy. This is from Pat McGrath, her Lust Gloss collection. This is like a mid-tone pink. I'm also going to mix this with Divine Rose, which is a pink shade. It has a lot of pink in it. So I do want this to bring that pink element to our nude lip. Here's the result of our finished Get Ready With Me, my signature eye look from my Lemonhead.LA glitter that I'm so in love with. I've just been loving this glitter ever since I got it. I continue to buy more glitters from them because I just love the overall look. It's the only adult like makeup glitter that I'm really into. That's why I continue to repurchase. But you guys ask me so many questions about what glitter I'm using, what am I using on my eyes. So I always wanted to do a quick tutorial showing you guys what I'm into at the moment. And Lemonhead.LA glitter is definitely on the top of my list. I told you guys they're using this exact glitter on the show Euphoria. So it's just overall so bomb, a pretty glitter. If you're into glitter and you're into more bolder looks, I would definitely recommend this to you guys. I hope this review was helpful to any of you guys that are interested in glitter. You want to try some glitter out. I really love how this just gives me a bold but wearable look. I'm so into looks that I can still wear out. I still look like myself, but they're still bold. They make a statement. So I really love this overall eye look. I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys would like to see in the comments down below. You can always ask me questions and anything else you want to talk to me about on my Instagram in my DMs at Tay Franklin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.